Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and thank you for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. Oh, I can't remember what number we're on, but we've had a whole load and we've got a whole load more to come. 2 projects every week, Mondays and Fridays, all the way through and into December, 24 in total. This is today's one. This is what I'm going to suggest to you. You store it in your files for when you're emergency crafting. When you get to a week and a half before Christmas, you're going to go and see your friend that you haven't seen for ages. You're not going to see after Christmas. That's your last visit before Christmas, and you think, oh, I need to back up some treats for her. Super quick, super easy. And it opens and closes like that. Little magnet. If you're giving to children, don't use magnets. Use Velcro buttons or dots or whatever you call them, Velcro coins, something like that. But really cute. I like it. But it's actually a really good one to use up Christmas paper. If you've got paper left over, shock horror, chop it, use it, enjoy it. But if you've got paper left over, it's great. And this particular one uses by 8 by 8 inches of paper, 20 by 20 centimetres. Doesn't matter so long as it's a square. Okay, first you want to get it rolling a little bit, so let's just give it a roll up just to get it moving a bit, because we're going to go like that with it, and it tries to fight you, this paper, so we're going to get it going like that and twist it. So before you start getting adhesive out, start moving it into position so so the paper's not going to fight you, because nobody wants to fight with paper. And you just sort of have to fiddle around. Now I would recommend liquid glue better for this, because you can actually leave it to wait and dry. It's entirely up to you. So I'm not I'm going to be crazy and daft and use dry adhesive. And do not make the mistake that I do every time I make one of these. I take the adhesive all the way to the bottom. Don't do that, because it's going to be left open and you're going to end up with sticky. So just at one part, the majority of it, just not all of it. And it also means you've got a bit of room to wibble and manipulate. And now, because I've already told the paper where I want to send it, that is quick and easy for me to close. You wouldn't want to have anything that might fall out of the bottom, but quick and easy to close. Okay, gently fold, and you're going to come over like that and stick it down with with magnets, like I say, Velcro coins, Velcro buttons, something like that. You can stick it down with that. So I've got, this was attached to my magnets. One of them we also need magnets, and I need a couple of little bits of shaded spruce, which I forgot to get out. So I'm just grabbing my scraps. And where's my shaded spruce? Here it is. So, and I need my 1-inch circle. Oh no, my 1/2-inch circle actually is what I want. So, take magnet number 1, and these are super strong. These are neodymium. I buy mine from a lady on eBay called Spider Magnets. She ships all over the world. It's about £1.20 for 50 of them. And each of them has a positive and a negative. So you don't need to worry about having magnets that are A-shaped magnets, and then A-shaped, A-numbered magnets and B-numbered. Don't need to worry about that. Press firmly, and because they're crazy strong, you do need to knock out a little bit. Oh, that's the wrong colour. It was Tranquil Tide. But actually, you know what? Merry Merlot would be better. Let's get that one instead. Merry Merlot. And that's not a circle. That's a circle. Anybody else get their Tranquil Tides and their shaded spruces mixed up? Or is that just me? So cover that on to knock out some of the strength in the magnets. Drop that one, and then you know that the positive and negative are the right way round. Mini glue dot on there. And fold it back round to position. And even though you're squeezing, you're actually not. I'm squeezing hard to get it to stick. I'm not causing creases anywhere else. Gently peel it apart and squeeze again. And then the other circle is going to go over the top of that to completely knock out that super strong strength. Okay, right, well that's the wrong colour now, isn't it? I need it shaded, no, I need a tranquil tide. And I need my sprig punch. Is here. Love this punch, and I have got my glimmer ready. This is the Joyous Noel paper, and the glimmer paper is from the Joyous Noel suite as well. One of them, got a little scrap of Whisper White for me to stamp and punch on. And this is the punch set that's in the winter catalogue. So we need that and the punch that goes with it. I can't remember. I know the other one's the Darling Label, and I never remember what this one's called. What should we have this time? Merry and Bright, I think. Let's get the right ink now. Where's my shaders? Oh, what do I want? I want Tranquil Tide. But it comes in a lovely tin. Merry and Bright. On there. Punch it out. Bring out my little cone. So I've got 2 glimmers and a plain. So I'm going to put a glimmer over the plain, and then the whole lot over another glimmer, so I get a little bit of a bunch of them that I've now stuck to my my grid paper. Bundle of mini glue dots on the varying parts. Tuck it up there. And then this, haha, we're going to have fun with this. Now these, you get stars. I want to keep sticking into my magnets. I put my magnets on my wall. You get stars that have got a little hook, and then you get the snowflakes, and they do bend down very slightly. There is an angle, and I don't know if you can see it. So if I hold it up like that, these two, actually 3, 4 of them are not touching my grid paper, so you can see I've got a wobble. So there is one side where more of them are touching the grid paper, and that's where you want to sneak a little bit of glue. So I've got one there and one there. So grab, there we go, grab some glue dots onto it, those bits, okay, position them, they're going to stick to your project. Couple of dimensionals behind this, and tuck that over those ones that you had glue dots on, and it's going to hide it away. Emergency crafting! Help! I need a project, quick! I need a bag! I need to fill it with some treats because I'm going to go and see my friend in small children. Won't see them again after Christmas. Store it for when you forget to remember to do that project. Anyway, I hope you like it. I think it's really cute. Thank you very much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.